We already verified, triple check, quadruple check our measurements. Everything seems to be in place where it needs to be. Let's get these beautiful spot welder ready, and then we're gonna go to town. First thing, we gotta make sure we have the correct arm. G1 right here, and we just gotta pull the trigger and calibrate. We're done with spot welding. There's a couple spots where we couldn't reach, so we gotta go back to well, there is 3 right here, 3 right here between the rail. Alright, with the welds clean, the over those, now we know everything is in spec.